What's up, YouTube? On this episode of Coddiwomple Overland, we're going to be installing the Voswitch switching system on our Gladiator.
Coddiwomple Overland is proudly powered by Cummins Off-road, home of the Lifetime powertrain. Also in part by Overland Vehicle Systems, Faster Flate, and Trail-Rated Coffee. Be sure to come out and say hi to us at the Moore Expo, April 8th through the 10th in Springfield, Missouri. If you're looking to support our channel, you can find all of our apparel at Long Creek Overland.
When we ordered our Gladiator, we forgot to add on the auxiliary switches. Since we've had it, I've been looking for a switching system, and the ones with the little blocks were just not what I wanted to do. I didn't want to put something in there that just looked extra or added on. That's when I stumbled across the Voswitch system, which actually installs right in your dash and looks completely factory. So we opened up the Voswitch box and it has good directions, got everything you need there. The coolest thing about this is this little piece right here. It actually fits right into the dashboard where the factory auxiliary switches fit. So that's the big thing that I wanted when I wanted this Voswitch system. The inside panel is not the only thing that is completely custom when it comes to the Voswitch system. It's actually made to fit right inside the Gladiator. These two bolts will bolt right onto the outside fender and in factory locations. It's a completely sealed unit. And there's what the inside looks like. Got all your heavy duty relays, all your fuses, and then there's all your wiring connections. All of your wiring will go into the unit right here through weatherproof connectors, so it's all a completely sealed waterproof unit. According to the instructions, we're going to have to take out this bolt right here, and then we'll use the same bolt and a bolt that's supplied and mount the Voswitch box here and here. With the Voswitch system mounted, now it's time to start running our wiring. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and hook our ground switch up. I'm just going to run our ground to right here to the body. And then after that, we're going to run the power switch.
Well, that sounds just about right.
The smaller red wire can go to a keyed fuse if you want to be able to turn these off with your ignition switch. So if you plug this wire in, you won't have any power to your Voswitch until your power on accessory or on run. We're going to want to have power on our Voswitch switches no matter whether the key is in the accessory or on position, so we're not going to plug this red wire up. Once we've got our wire through the firewall, we're going to go ahead and connect it up here. And then we're going to get ready to fix things inside. So this is what we're going to be installing inside the Jeep. It's got 6 switches here, a main power switch, and it's ultimately going to end up right down here. The next thing we're going to take loose is we're going to go ahead and pop this screw out and the rest of it just pops out as well. Next, there's 4 screws that hold this little pocket on. We'll be taking those off and then installing our switch. So that's what we've just taken out and what we're replacing. And now we're going to be installing this. Once we've got the panel installed, then we're going to have to run the wire over into here and connect it in right here. Once you have your Voswitch panel all set up, you can put these decals on for whatever it actually activates. There's a big list here, and on the Voswitch website, I think you can actually get additional decals. So now we've got our Voswitch JL300 installed. It's just time to start adding some stuff on here and getting it plugged up. It didn't take long at all to get this set up, probably less than an hour, and it's going to make putting on accessories that need power a whole lot easier. The professional look is great. I couldn't ask for any better, and I hope you guys have got some value out of this, and I hope it helps you make a decision on your next switching system, whether it be one that has the factory look option here or the one with the more traditional style panel. Voswitch has both of those. Let us know what you're running in the comments below. I appreciate you hanging out with us in the shop here, and I hope you learned something in the video. Thanks again for watching Coddiwomple Overland, and until next time, see you.